Alright everybody, it's time for total hip replacement update number 11 in the series of the total hip replacement for Highland cycles. I am 3 weeks out from surgery, well almost 3 weeks out from surgery, and I'm feeling pretty good. Good enough that I'm going to take my scooter here over to the bank. And yeah, I don't think I'm supposed to be doing this, but man, my hip is really feeling pretty good. I was able to ride a stationary bike last night for 15 solid kind of hard minutes. Did some walking, lifted some weights. Yeah, feeling good. You see the weather here in Montrose is absolutely gorgeous. It snowed a little bit last night, but it's gotten nice again. Oh, it feels good to be on two wheels with a motor. I'm on my Yamaha Vino 50cc little scoot. It's awesome.